Number 4. Toiauaha 4K Vlogging Camera. Do you make YouTube videos, blog about your travels, or just love taking gorgeous photos and videos? Then the Toiauaha 4K Vlogging Camera is for you. This all-in-one digital camera and camcorder is the perfect sidekick for capturing life's moments in breathtaking 64-megapixel images and 4K Ultra HD videos. Whether it's your dog's goofy face or that jaw-dropping sunset, this camera delivers vivid colors and razor-sharp details every time. Need to get up close? The 18x digital zoom has your back, ensuring no detail is lost, even from a distance. And with the 180-degree flip screen, you can effortlessly capture the perfect selfie or frame that tricky angle like a pro. Packed with features like autofocus, built-in LED light, and multiple recording modes, it's perfect for YouTube vlogging, live streaming, and beyond. Plus, the built-in speakers and tripod compatibility give you everything you need to shoot like a pro. With 2 rechargeable batteries and a 32GB SD card, you won't miss a second of the action. Designed for beginners, students, or anyone looking for an easy-to-use camera, the Toiauaha 4K Vlogging Camera makes it as simple as point, shoot, and share. And with its compact size and affordable price, you can take it anywhere your adventures lead.